Hello everyone. Today I'm going to undo this XTR derailleur. It's the Shimano XTR M952. As you can see, this specific derailleur is missing its jockey wheels, so I'm going to be adding on some jockey wheels hopefully. So let's get started. So first thing I think we're going to do is just remove these small bolts to give them a clean. So here's the cage plate, we're going to put it back here. To get to access to this screw right here, we're going to undo this, fit that in. Oops. Next we need to undo this bolt right here. Once you've done that, using a 5mm Allen key wrench. I've already kind of undone it a little bit. Okay, so we've opened that up. It's incredibly dry inside, so I'm happy that I'm getting to this now. Oh, pop that open. On the side, undo that clip there. Oh, don't know where my my lovely Swiss knife's gone. Oh, that should come just out. There you go. Oh, well, that's dry as well. Okay, so we're going to give everything a little clean and add on some grease. Okay, so let's put this all back together. I had an issue because I didn't have any jockey wheels to put on this derailleur, and what I didn't know until I looked on the diagram is that unlike the M950 XTR that uses the 10-tooth jockey wheel, the M952, which was an updated version, used the 11-tooth jockey wheels. So I managed to find the G pulley from another XTR derailleur, because the previous owner had put two G pulleys, sealed G pulleys on his derailleur for some reason, probably from this one, I don't know. So I'm going to add on some grease on these two springs. So I'm going to put the seals back into their place. So, and then there's the other seal here for the springs. The long part goes in to this side, the part here at the end of the spring. Back cage plate. This is a really specific part. It goes, there's like a sort of a ridge. You want to make sure that goes into the right place. Size number 5. Right, so now we're going to go clockwise on this side to put the bolt here, that Phillips bolt that stays here, that keeps this in place. Looks good. Okay, and let go. Right, that's done. Next we're going to go into the most annoying part. Took off this seal, you can clean that up. Bolt through, like so. So remove this bolt here. For this, the easiest way I always find is to do this. You use that to tension the Allen key. This works now quite a few times for me, so there you go. I'm already now pushing it with my own finger into place. The spring circlips, snuggle that underneath here. So I'm going to use my plier, it's easier for me. Just go on the top here usually and push down, and there you go, we've got that on. Okay, that's done anyway. I've moved the clip a little bit towards this side. So one jockey wheel, oh whoops, and the other one, which goes on the top here. Okay, so putting on the first jockey wheel. Okay, we've got both jockey wheels now in place. Alright, well that's done. Lovely. So, always pay attention to detail, especially when you're buying old parts. I hope this helped you giving your derailleur an overhaul. Thank you for listening and peace out.